and welcome back to my channel. So apologies that I missed out on doing last month's unboxing. I was actually away at the beginning of the month. I went to a festival in Croatia. It was called Highligher Festival. I had the best holiday of my lifetime, would totally recommend it, or just visiting Croatia as a country if you're considering it. It's so beautiful. But anyway, today I'm back with the Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing for August, and this is the colour box for this month. It's this lovely sort of, I want to call it Louis Vuitton orange at the front, and then there's a deeper orange, bit more like a tangerine colour at the bottom. So inside this month's box you get the usual, so you get the Beauty Box magazine for the month, and I really like this. I always refer to it if I've seen a product in there that I've never really been introduced to before, then this pretty much explains it here. So it tells you about what's inside the box and how to use the product. So I really do like that. So the theme of this month's box is the Heatwave edition, hence all the orange tones. It says, are you ready for the hottest summer ever? Hell yes I am. I'm actually wearing colourful ones, which is quite shocking to say the least, because if you know me, and you know me well, I'll always be wearing my sort of neutrals, but because it's summer I thought I'd put in a bit of pop of colour, so that's why I'm wearing this today. But anyway, it says here, this month we're embracing the long warm days while avoiding sunburn at whatever cost. Our August Heatwave beauty box contains 6 summer essentials, helping you to switch up your daily look and discover some of our beauty saviours to help beat the heat. In this month's beauty box, we're unveiling our ultimate guide to all things SPF, the best bronzing solutions and our tips for getting beach ready. Plus an exclusive interview of blogger Max's Look. We hope you have a wonderful summer with the LF Beauty Box. Ellie. Max's Look. So I actually know Max. I met Max through the beauty set, so that's quite exciting. I'm just going to quickly flick through because be really nice to read that. I'm going to read that later, but yeah, for anybody who's into makeup, especially eye makeup, Max does insane makeup looks, so definitely head over to his Instagram. I think his handle is Max's Look, but yeah, I'll leave that link down below. Yeah, it is Max's Look, but yeah, I know Max personally, absolutely phenomenal at makeup, so yeah, I'm looking forward to reading that later. Anyway, another thing that you also get inside the beauty box, as always, is a complimentary Elle magazine, and I believe the price of this has gone up to £4.15. It used to be £3.99, so it's quite a nice little extra to have the Elle magazine inside the Lookfantastic beauty boxes. So anyway, now let's move on straight to the unboxing. So I've actually tried 2 of the products in here already, but I've tried not to break the sticker, but I'm going to have to do that now, which is such a shame. It's the worst part. I hate doing it. Right, okay, so let's take a proper look inside. So this is the contents of this month's beauty box, and it's looking really bright and colourful. One last thing, I almost forgot to read the quote on the inside of the lid. This is one of my favourite things that Lookfantastic do with the beauty box. It's a really nice special touch. So the quote for this month is, sunshine is the best medicine, #LFBeautyBox, and it totally is. I mean, getting vitamin D, it really does help with my mood and things. I notice when we're getting some of the rainier days in summer, my mood absolutely drops, so I totally agree with that. Bit of sun is the best medicine. So just quickly before I get started with the video, I wanted to share a special code with you if you guys did decide that you'd want to subscribe to the Lookfantastic beauty box subscription service. Now if you sign up to the 6-month subscription and you use the code CYNTHIABB, then you'll get your first beauty box for £8. So I'll leave that code up on screen, and I'll also leave it linked down below in case you want to access that easily. So let's get started with the video. Okay, sorry if it looks like I'm sweating, I probably am. It's really actually hot. Anyway, the first product inside this month's beauty box is the Duce, I'm not too sure how to pronounce this still, and it's the Luscious Lip Stain, and this is in the shade 619 Holiday Getaway, and I've actually got it on my lips right now. It's a really nice colour. I like it against my skin tone. I usually only stick to nudes and browns, rarely go for a sort of corally orange, but this is a really nice one, and it hasn't budged at the moment, which is quite good, so I think it's going to be quite good for when I go out for my meal this evening, and yeah, I won't really have to keep on reapplying it. Oh, and just quickly, I forgot to mention that that product is worth £11.95. Okay, so moving on to the next product, and it's also another one that I've already tried for the month, and it is the Rituals Cream On Nourishing Body Cream, the Ritual of Holly, Colour Your World with Love, and it's flamingo flower and pink grapefruit flavour, and it smells absolutely delicious. I have smelt this sort of scent somewhere else before, but I can't quite put my finger on it, but all I can tell you over the camera right now is that it's really, really beautiful, and it does sort of smell like summer in a sense. This product is worth £6.90, and it says massage into skin after showering or bathing, so for the best sort of results. Tried this on earlier, love Rituals products anyway, but yeah, it's a really, really nice cream, and you get a decent amount for a body cream here. You get 100 mils, so that is a really, really good decent size body cream. Next up is something from a brand that I've never heard before, and it is Luxe, and it's actually a tapered highlighting brush. Oh, Luxie 237. So I think the brand is actually called Luxie, and this is a highlighter brush, and I love the way that this sort of has a bit of a dip here, so it's kind of perfect for holding when doing your makeup. This is worth £26.50. Okay, and it feels really smooth. Like, I'm looking forward to using this. So it says blend the desired product over cheekbones, brow bones, nose, and the inner corner of the eye for a lit from within look. Okay, so yeah, really, really soft brush. I'm really looking forward to using this. Never heard of this brand before, quite strange, but it's £26.50 for a brush. That is ridiculous. I don't think I actually own a single makeup brush that is worth that much. I usually just stick to my Real Techniques, so I'm gonna see what it's like having the luxury of an expensive makeup brush in my collection. Next up is a product from Bellapierre. Now, we have received many Bellapierre products in the past in the Lookfantastic beauty boxes, but this one is completely different. Now, you get a selection of 5 heat wave highlighting palettes. So yeah, quite interesting. I thought these would be high shadows, but they're actually highlighters, and there's some really, really pretty colours in there as well. Let's see what it says in the oh gosh, this is worth £29.99. so yeah, really, really good product to be inside this month's beauty box. Says here for tips, dust across high points of the face. For more intense shimmer, spritz your makeup brush with a setting spray. Okay, so we can use that highlighting brush that we also got along with this product. So I think I might actually, I've already got highlighter on now, but I want to give it a bit of a test out. Kill two birds with one stone at the moment. So I think what I'm going to go for is this sort of champagne-y colour here, just because it kind of matches what I'm wearing. Yeah, that's going on really nicely. Oh my gosh, glowing. Yeah, no, I really like that. But yeah, really looking forward to trying out the other colours too. Really loving this month's beauty box. Really good products in there so far. So the second to last product in this month's beauty box is something from the brand James Read. Now, I have actually tried James Read products in the past before. I think it was one of their sort of tanning mist sprays and something else to do with like tanning. I think all this brand is tanning. Anyway, this is a self-tan 1 hour tan glow mask face. Interesting. So it says here 1 hour tan glow mask face, express tanning gel, creating the natural glow of summer from 30 minutes, suits all skin tones. Okay, excellent. I always worry about fake tanning things. They're not usually marketed to people with darker skin tones like myself. However, I do actually really enjoy using them because it's not necessarily I don't necessarily use tanning products to make my skin look darker as such, just more brighter and more alive and look like it's been kissed by the sun. That's why I use it, and it really does make a sort of difference. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. This product is worth £12.50, and it says here, apply a thin layer to clean dry skin to achieve a natural glow in just 30 minutes. Cool. And it also says here that it's enriched with aloe vera, hyaluronic acid and algae to leave skin hydrated, ensuring that colour lasts longer and fades evenly. A colourless formula to protect clothing and bedding. This tan suits all skin tones. That's amazing. I love the fact that it's a colourless formula, because I feel like somebody like me who wears a lot of sort of whites and nudes and things, like my clothes easily get stained and I need to be careful, especially when I put like makeup on, because it's quite orangey brown. So yeah, I think it's quite good that they've added that so that I don't have that sort of same issue when applying this tan. So looking forward to trying that out and seeing what it's all about. Okay, so this brings us to our last product of the beauty box, and it is something from the brand Natura. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. However, it's a herb infused sheet mask, blemish control and rebalances complexion. Blemish control and rebalances complexion. Okie dokie, let's see what it says in here. I love a good sheet mask, you can't go wrong with them. This one is worth £4.95, and it says it's infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins. This multitasking mask rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores and brightens the complexion. Ideal for hydrated and nourishing dry skin in the summer months. This mask soothes and protects after just one use. Amazing. Right, I'm definitely going to need this on Sunday night after I get back from my festival from Saturday night. I'm actually going to Eastern Electrics this weekend, or I'm not too sure when I'm going to get this video up, but yeah, I'm going on Saturday the 3rd, so definitely going to need this face mask on a Sunday either way. Looking forward, but definitely going to need this face mask on the Sunday either way, and I'm looking forward to using it because I love a good pamper treatment. Anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. That is absolutely everything inside this month's Look Fantastic beauty box, and what a beauty box it was, to be fair. I can't remember how much this month's box is worth, but I know it's quite a lot. I think it's something like £90 the contents of the box is worth. But yeah, I'll have to get back to you guys on that one and leave it in the description. But yeah, as usual, you can get this beauty box for a minimum of £13 a month, and I think it's a maximum of £15 a month depending on what subscription service you decide to subscribe to. So I just want to point out there that I've actually got a special code for you guys to use. I'll leave it up on screen now. It's CYNTHIABB, and if you use this code you will get your first beauty box for £8 if you sign up for the 6-month subscription. So, and yeah, that's available up until the end of this month. The code is just CYNTHIABB. So if you guys are interested in subscribing to the Look Fantastic beauty boxes and trying new products and new brands each month, then I'll leave that all linked below for you guys to easily access. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it, and obviously if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.